Hey, my Rockin' Cardinals. I'm so excited to be back for math today. You did such a good job yesterday with your teen numbers, counting them the Say 10 way, writing them, building them, visualizing, adding one more. Well, today in math, we're still going to be working on our teen numbers. We're still going to be counting the Say 10 way and thinking about our two parts. Except today, we're going to be visualizing taking one away, removing one to see what our new number would be. So the first thing in math we're going to do today is we're going to practice writing our teen numbers. Miss Naki is going to show you a 10 stick, and then I'm going to show you some extra cubes. I want you to write the number that matches our cubes. What teen number would that be? That's right. That is the number 13. You're right. We have a 10 and we have 3. Those two parts give us the number 13. Very good. So you can either write these on your dry erase board or a piece of paper, anything you have handy to write your number to show me your teen number. All right, let's go to our next one. Good. Think about your 10 and your extra ones and what teen number that would be. Oh, that was a tricky one. Did you write and say 19? That's right, because we have our 10 tower, our 10 ones, and over here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had our parts 10 and 9 that gave us our whole of 19. All right, let's think about the number. Your 10, how many extra ones? Write your teen number. Oh, did you write the number 17? You're so smart. What a smart Rockin' Cardinal. You have your 10 tower, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. Your 10 and your 7 gave you your whole of 17. All right, let's count. Think about your parts. Write your number. Oh, let's see if yours matches Miss Nakian's. 18 was our whole. That's right. Why? Because we had 10, and then we had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 10, 8. 10 and 8 are our parts. When we put them together, that gives us our whole of 18. Okay, next one. Oh, so smart. I bet you already have your teen number. 15. Yes, you counted your 10, and then you saw that you had 5 extra loose cubes over here. 5 extra ones. Those parts give us, you got it, our whole of 15. Okay, next one. Oh yeah, that one was easy, huh? You saw your 10 and you saw your 2, and that gave us our, you got it, 12. Good thinking and counting. Okay, next one. Oh, I'm so excited to see if you have 14. You got it. We had 10 and we had 4 extra ones. That gives us 14. 10, 4, 14. Okay. Let's count. Write your teen. Okay, good job. 16. That's right. 10. And we had 6 loose cubes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That gave us our 16. All right. Now we're going to count the say 10 way. Yeah, we're going to start from 11 and we're going to go all the way to 20. You ready to count with me? Awesome. I'm excited. And here we go. Let's count the say 10 way. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. Yeah, let's go to the next one. 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. That's right, we stopped on 20. Now we're going to count, but this time we're going to count backwards from 20. So Miss Sanke is going to start a new line. Let's switch our colors. Here we go. Let's start at 20. 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 8, 10, 7, 10, 6, 10, 5, 10, 4, 10, 3, 10, 2, 10, 1. And now we're back to 11. Very good. Okay, so our problem today is about a little boy named Peter. Ooh, and those are yummy, yummy French fries. Oh, Miss Ankian loves French fries. It says Peter was sitting at lunch eating his French fries. He counted 8 on his plate. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he has 8 on his plate. Let's write that 8. Okay, and I'm going to circle that 8. But then it says he ate 1 French fry. Okay, so let's take that one away. He ate 1 fry. So now how many does he have? That's right. Now he has 7. Do you notice that? Yes, we took away 1. We have 1 less. 8, 1 less is 7. But he's not finished. Then Peter ate another French fry. Let's take away another one. Oh, look at that. Yes, we started with 8. We took 1 less, 1 away. That was 7. Then Peter had 7, and then he ate another one. So that was 1 less. Now we're at, that's right, 6. But guess what? Then he ate another one. Yes. Okay, so he ate another one. Look at that. So, how many French fries did Peter have then? Oh, you're right. He has 5 left. Yes. Let's think about how we could write that in our number bond. We have our whole, which is 8. We started with 8. How many did Peter eat in all? Yes, he ate 3. In all, he ate those 3. But how many does he have left? That's right. Do you remember how we would show on our number bonds when we would take away and subtract? On our number bond, we would actually take away that part because we know that part is no longer there. And our bottom number on our number bond would be what we actually have left, which is 5. Yes, do you remember that? Do you remember how to write that number sentence? That's right. We would start with our whole and we subtract. We would say 8, take away, or we'd say minus 3. That's the part we took away, equals 5. 5 is the part that is actually left. Very good thinking with your problem today. So just like in our problem, we're going to be taking away 1 or showing 1 less. I want you to look at our towers right now. That's right. We have a pink tower and a green tower. Do you see that? Do you notice that our pink tower has 10 ones and our green tower also has 10 ones? That's right, 10, 10. We have 20, we have 2 10s. So Miss Nakia is going to write that number. We have the number 20. I want you to think about how could we show 19? Oh, you're so smart. That's right. We would have to take away 1 because we know that the number 19 is only 10/9. So we would have to take one of those away. Let's say this together. Say 20. 1 less is 19. Very good. Okay, so watch Miss Nakian. We're going to keep taking away 1. Miss Nakian wants you to think about 1 less. So we don't have 20 anymore. That's right, we got rid of that one. Okay, so now we have 10/9. We know that we have 19. How would I show 18? Oh, so smart. That's right. I'd have to take another one away because I need to show 1 less. I need 10/8, not 10/9. I need 10/8. That would give us the number 18. Let's say this together. 19. 1 less is 18. Yes, very good. Okay, let's try one more together. Here we go. So remember, what do we have? Yes, we have the number 18. How would I show 17? That's right. We'd have to take one more away because we need 1 less. We need 10/7. We need the number 17. Let's say this together. 18, 1 less is 17. So remember, when we're showing 1 less, do you notice our pattern? We keep taking 1 away. And when we go to our next number, we take 1 away. We show 1 less, 1 less. So if I was at the number 17, which we're at right now, and I wanted to show 16, you got it. You see the pattern. I'm going to have to take 1 away because I want 1 less. I want 10/6, which is the number 16. Our problem set today is just like what we just did. You are going to be showing 1 less by taking 1 away on your chart right here. So we're going to be starting with 20. Look at this. Look at our bottom part. We have 10 and we have another 10 to show 20. They want you to show 1 less. 20 to get to 19. That's right, we'd have to take 1 away or remove 1. So on your chart to show 19, you're going to color in, yes, 10/9, because you're going to show Miss Nakian the number 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want you to switch your colors when you get to your second 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I know it's sort of hard to see with Miss Nakian's colors, but make sure that you color in your numbers. So I'm showing you 10, 9, 19. Now remember your next number, we're 19, you have to show Miss Nakian 1 less. So we're going to take 1 away. 19, we're going to take away 1 less. You got it. You're so smart. 18. So on the bottom, you would write your 18. And on your paper, what do you color in on your chart? It's going to match. That's right. You color in 10, 8 to show 18. I'm going to let you work on the rest of it independently. If you have time for your exit ticket, you're going to count and you're going to count 1 less to fill in your missing number for your pattern. So for example, we have 14, 1 less 13, 1 less 12,